These videos were taken on an Alaska cruise, and I just had to share this camera hack. And here it is, a simple spring-loaded smartphone mount with a remote shutter stuck on with Velcro tape and a wrist strap mounted on my iPhone and used as a shutter grip for taking photos and video. The mount acts as a camera grip, the remote shutter as a DSLR camera shutter, and the wrist strap just in case. It made it much easier to take photos and video. Here are a few more video clips taken with my DIY smartphone camera grip. I'll leave a link to the mount and remote shutter in the description below.